Model: 64-plate CITROEN Relay 35L3 Diesel 2.2 HDi H2 van 130 PS Enterprise Body, white, panel van mileage, 173691 MOT, 2 July 2024 engine, 2198 cc 4 HDi transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is average. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, air con, parking sensors, cruise control, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.